So a lot of people like to separate heart versus brain, but we say cardiology, but it's actually cardiovascular disease. And so the brain is full of vessels, and all of the treatments that you're doing for your heart also directly affect your brain. Because the heart pumps blood supply to all of your organs, having a good cardiac health or heart health affects all of your organs. Smoking cessation is so important because smoking is a huge risk factor for heart disease. When people come in for diagnostic testing, we can see blood vessels that look so severely diseased that we know that we're dealing with a smoker. We know that eventually, if we can get to the target of stopping smoking, you can actually reverse some of that disease that you see in the vessels. Exercise is very important for overall cardiovascular health. The current guidelines recommend about 30 minutes a day. The 30 minutes doesn't have to be continuous. So if you can commit to doing 10 minutes at a time, a 10-minute walk, 2 favorite dance songs, 3 times a day for 5 days a week, you're meeting the guidelines or what the recommendation is for lowering your risk for heart disease. So an overall heart healthy diet, as it affects your blood pressure, would be important. In general, most of the heart healthy diets come from having a well-balanced diet, fruits and vegetables. Having a daily salt intake of 2 grams or less is really the highlight or the focus of most heart healthy diets. That seems to be the threshold by which anything over can have a direct impact on your blood pressure, which then directly affects the brain and the heart. The biggest risk factor for vascular dementia is high blood pressure. So if you're coming to me as somebody with just high blood pressure with no other risk factors, we may do a counseling session. And I may just say, you know what, let's wait 2 months. Let me see what you can do with just diet and exercise and come back. And then let's see if your blood pressure is still high, maybe it needs to be treated. The same is true for cholesterol. And so aggressive therapy in controlling your blood pressure and controlling your cholesterol is a clear benefit to your heart. You're also benefiting your brain health as well.